Welcome back MH Car Review, and today we have something absolutely jaw-dropping sitting right in front of us. This is not science fiction. This is not a movie prop. What you are looking at right now is one of the most ambitious, most futuristic, and most luxurious vehicles ever conceived for the road in 2026, and I can honestly tell you that absolutely nothing prepares you for seeing this thing in person. So buckle up, because we are going deep into every single detail of this beast today. Let's start from the outside, because the moment this vehicle rolls into view, you forget everything else around you. The exterior design is nothing short of revolutionary. The entire body is wrapped in a flawless pearl white finish that almost glows under natural light, and running along the edges you will notice these stunning gold accent lines that trace the curves of the body like jewelry on a supermodel. It is bold. It is dramatic, and it is completely intentional. The designers clearly wanted this vehicle to make a statement, and trust me, it delivers that statement loudly and confidently every single time. The front fascia is where things get really interesting. Instead of the flat, boxy face you expect from a traditional bus or coach, this vehicle pushes forward with a dramatically sculpted nose that looks like it was borrowed straight from a hypercar. The windshield wraps wide and deep, giving the driver a panoramic field of vision that is unlike anything in this class. You have angular air intakes on the lower section, aggressive panel lines cutting across the front bumper, and these ultra-low profile sport wheels with multi-spoke alloy rims that sit perfectly flush with the widened wheel arches. On a vehicle this tall and this large, those low-profile tires look absolutely wild, and they work beautifully with the overall aesthetic. Moving along the side profile, you immediately notice this is a double-decker layout, but designed in a way that makes it feel like one cohesive sculpture rather than two boxes stacked on top of each other. The waistline flows from front to rear in a smooth, sweeping motion, interrupted only by the geometric panel detailing that adds depth and dimension to the body. There is a prominent gold shield emblem positioned at the top of the upper deck, which serves as the brand identifier and adds a premium luxury signature to the silhouette. The lower section features what appears to be a passenger entry staircase integrated directly into the body, along with additional storage compartments that open flush with the exterior panels. Every gap, every edge, every surface has been thought through with obsessive attention to detail. Now step inside, and this is where the real magic happens. The interior of this vehicle is essentially a rolling penthouse. The upper deck is configured as a lounge and living space, with wide panoramic windows that stretch from floor to ceiling, bathing the interior in natural light from all directions. The seating is finished in premium cream and caramel leather with hand-stitched detailing, and the ambient lighting system runs along the ceiling and floor panels in soft warm tones that create an atmosphere closer to a 5-star hotel suite than any vehicle you have ever been inside. There are individual climate zones, built-in entertainment screens, and what appears to be a dedicated workspace area with connectivity ports and a custom desk configuration. The lower deck serves as the primary social and dining zone. The layout is open and flowing, with a central island structure that doubles as a bar and kitchen preparation surface. Cabinetry is finished in dark wood veneer contrasted against the white structural panels, and every fixture from the handles to the lighting bezels carries that gold accent theme you see on the exterior. The flooring is polished to a mirror finish, which reflects the ambient lighting perfectly and makes the entire space feel twice as large as it actually is. Visibility from both decks is exceptional thanks to the massive glazed surfaces, and sound insulation is reported to be at limousine-level quality throughout the cabin. Underneath all of this luxury is a performance package that is equally impressive. The 2026 model is reported to run on a hybrid electric powertrain producing in excess of 800 horsepower combined, with a torque figure that pushes this enormous vehicle forward with surprising authority. The air suspension system has been tuned specifically for this platform, offering multiple ride height settings and adaptive damping that responds in real time to road conditions. Despite its size and weight, the handling characteristics are described as remarkably composed, with electronic stability systems working across all axles to keep everything planted and predictable. Top speed is electronically limited for safety, but the acceleration figures from 0 to highway speed are genuinely shocking for a vehicle in this category. Now for the number that everyone wants to know: the price. This vehicle starts at approximately $1.8 million in its base configuration, with fully optioned examples pushing well beyond $2.5 million depending on personalization choices. Custom exterior finishes, bespoke interior layouts, extended powertrain warranties, and concierge delivery packages all add to the final figure. It is clearly positioned not as a mode of transport but as a lifestyle statement for buyers who want absolutely the best of everything and are completely unwilling to compromise on any level. This is the future of personal luxury mobility, and honestly, I think the future looks incredible. If you made it this far, smash that like button, subscribe to MH Car Review, and drop a comment below telling me what you think about this absolute masterpiece on wheels. That I will see you in the next one.